So, would you like to greet your Filipino fans?
Of course. I love you all. Mahal kita, Pilipinas.
Sino dyan yung mahal mo?
Actually, my mom is there.
Where's your mom? Oh, your mom is here.
Where?
Where's your mom?
You see the one there on the right?
On the right?
You
Mommy,
go
where's
left,
mommy?
left, left.
Left, left,
And
left.
then go right.
Left, right.
Go left and then go,
Go
right.
up, go down.
And then go up.
Yeah, and then she's there. She's buying hot
Nahilo
dogs.
na si Raya.
Yeah.
Niloloko mo naman si Ryan.
Hindi.
Wala. Diyan niloloko ka lang ni Ryan.
Wala. Joke lang daw, Raya.
Very funny.
Joker pala to si ano.
Joker. At alam mo na, pag Joker, di ba hinahamon mo ng dribble yan, di ba?
Oh.
Talaga ba?
Ikaw pinakamagaling sa basketball.
Dali lang.
May trauma ba yan?
Bantayan mo.
May kalokalike din to.
Oh.
Sino?
Ayun o.
Sino? Sino?
Si Joseph yan.
Natin si Joseph yan. Grabe ka naman.
Nandito na ako eh.
Grabe
Si Joseph
ka.
yan.
Pasensya ka na. Kumuha kayo ng straw.
Bakit?
Inumin ko lang yung tubig.
Hindi yan buko. Ay, Fred, alam ko na. Sino ka lokalike niya?
Sino?
Ganito ka. Ganun mo.
Ayun mo.
Ayun. Haweg na haweg.
May problema ba tayo sa mga ganyang...
Wala! Bakit? May problema ka ba sa ganyan?
Papunta pa lang. Bakit? Magkakaproblema pa lang.
Oh, sorry.
Huwag ka
Grabe
magalala,
ka.
hindi tayo abot doon.
Hindi tayo abot.
Yeah, okay. So,
Is that a real hair of yours?
Yeah, it's all my hair.
It's very
It's
nice.
real.
That's real, oh.
Where did you have that time? Boracay?
No, not Boracay. I did it in the States.
Oh, in the States.
Before I came here on
what
the
do you
plane.
call that hairstyle?
Box braids.
What?
Box braids.
Box braids.
Box braids.
Braids.
Oh, di ba yun ang tawag
braids
mo sa
yun.
kanya? Si Braid.
Oh,
Bread yun.
bread.
Yeah. That's why our movie is titled And the Breadwinner is.
Showing in December.
Yeah, okay. So
Yeah.
how long you will be here in the Philippines?
Just maybe 2 weeks and then
2
I'll go
weeks.
back. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
I have to get ready for the NBA. You know, I have to play. You know.
Have you spent the holidays in the Philippines yet? Have you tried spending like Christmas and New Year here?
Yeah. I was actually here last year, December.
Yeah.
I spent Christmas here in Boracay also.
Yeah.
You dance very well, ah. Where did you learn how to dance like that?
My parents teach me.
Thank you.
Kuya Ogie, di ba idol mo siya? Oo. Gusto mo siyang bantayan?
Gusto niya yan. Asa yung bola?
Yeah, this is for the TikTok.
Yeah. Okay. You will defend. You have to
Yeah.
Be careful, ha?
defend the ball.
Be
Don't
careful.
Don't let him get the ball, ha?
Oh, okay ha. You be careful
Super
ha.
defense, a hard defense.
Remember,
Show hard defense.
remember, we have to be funny.
Oo, okay. Take care, ha, Kuya Ogie.
Okay, go.
Okay. Go!
Lakas mo!
Grabe naman.
Grabe, di ba tumatama?
Hindi ka kasi marunong tumipensa.
Ay, bakit? Sino ba
Paano ba
marunong
dapat?
yung
Ang turuan.
Ay, naku. Buti na lang hindi ako mahilig sa basketball, but you're good, ha? You're very good.
Pero nung kapanahon mo, nagmamuse ka ng mga basketball for sure.
Oo, nag-miss ako dati sa Hinebra.
Talaga, PBA girl ka pala din.
Yeah.
Sino mga player nun, Chang?
Jaworski pa yun,
matandaan
Jack, di ba? Kaloy-loy sagay.
Rudy Distrito.
Parang Chris pa nga ata yun
Andun pa ba?
Oo. Ganun na katagal. But you're
Grabe.
good, ha? Very good. Talented.
Of course, I play in the NBA.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jordan Clarkson.
Jordan Clarkson.
Pero di ba na-chismis si Jordan Clarkson? Di ba parang naging jowa niya ba si Kendall?
Ay, kayo ba?
Ah,
Oh,
Ay,
did you
parang may
date?
alam
Yeah,
siya.
we
Is
heard
that
the
true?
news.
Is that true?
Jordan?
Yeah, did you date Kendall?
Yeah, I dated her for some time and then I.
Did you give her a candle?
The birthday? The birthday?
For the birthday.
No, you make sulian ng candle.
Yeah.
Gusto niya.
Yata ulit ng isa pang
Isa pa.
Gusto pa ng nito.
I'm good.
Yeah, so how was she?
She's okay, but it was a long time ago. It's like maybe a couple of years back. Yeah.
Do you still get to talk to her? No more.
No more.
No
Not
more.
anymore.
Oo.
Yeah.
Is she still in your contacts? No.
Of course.
Really?
Yeah, still friends.
What's her number?
Still
I'll give it to you later. I cannot message.
She have such a big fan eh. I will text her. Hi, Kendall.
Paano mo papakilala yung sarili mo?
Yeah, I'm Vice ganda.
I just met your ex-friend Jordan Clarkson.
Oh.
Yeah, and I got your number from him. I just want to say hi.
Yeah.
Ano niligawan mo si